practice.
Dragon Ball.
3, 4.
Let's go.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Are you ready? Go!
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
Paddle on the water. Butterfly.
Hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.
Are you ready?
Facing it all.
Let's drive and go!
So and then next session we'll try to how straight how to start a boat.
What is your comment for the new pedal, guys? It's good?
This is really light.
Really light. And then?
No need much power. Full right now.
Yeah.
Very good.
We need to go faster, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Turn slow. Keep pedaling, keep pedaling. The wind so hard. Turn. Slow. Pedal on the water. Butterfly.
Sao công bằng nhau.